Hello everyone and welcome back. I am so excited and happy to finally be able to share this with you. I haven't really been doing anything, no crafting, no videos, nothing. But I did open this up. As you can see, it is Christmas related. This was a Christmas swap that I joined on Esther Luca's channel. I read your card, Yaleidy, and it's funny that she says how sorry she is that, you know, she kept me waiting. But from the very beginning, we both said we were going to be late with our swaps, but I wasn't expecting me to send out hers so late. She finally got it. It should have arrived today, but I am so sorry, lady. Honestly, it wasn't my intention to take that long. Everything was done. It was just a matter of sending the box to the post office. But anyways, I want to share with you everything that she sent me because I think it is so beautiful. And I especially love the fact that she did polka doodles, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so she sent me this and I absolutely love it. Now these boxes have stuff in it, but in this bag, oh my gosh, also you guys, look what she sent me. She sent me a gift card. This was a total surprise. When I saw this, oh my goodness, I felt so unworthy of this, to be honest with you. And I just want to say thank you so much. This was perfect. But yeah. Okay. So then she made these beautiful cards, you guys. Look, this one is a shaker. Oh my goodness. Okay, I know that some people don't like it when I shake stuff, but I'm sorry. That's what it's for. I like it. And I actually like when people do it on video. And then she also made this one. And these images are using Winnie White Christmas. Look how beautiful this is. I absolutely love it. Oh my gosh, I love how she filled it up with so much sequins. And then, oh, she also made some memory decks cards, you guys. Check this out. Not one, not two, but three. So now two of them are Christmas related. And I can see that there's an envelope in here. And of course, in my favorite colors, and I think it's so beautiful. And this one is birthday. She did say that because she wanted to join my challenge, which was memory decks cards, but you know, she didn't get the chance to send it out on time, so she is sending it now. Oh, and there's actually a letter in here. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm definitely going to read this off camera because this is for me only. So I'm just gonna tuck it in here. And then this one, which is the Christmas one, let's see what this one says. Okay, this might be the one with her information on it because I know that I had asked. Okay, so her name is Yaleidy Ramos. That's her YouTube channel right there. Of course, I'm going to link it in the description box. Her birthday is July 30th. Her favorite colors are black, pink, yellow, teal, and purple. She loves Mickey Mouse and Disney, unicorns, mermaids, coffee, sweet treats, vintage, shabby chic. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for this. So now I can add this to my collection because, you know, a lot of you sent me some of these memory index cards and I absolutely love them. Okay, and in this bag, let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh, there's like a lot of stuff in here, you guys. Let's see. Oh my goodness, there's so much. Oh, and bows. I love my bows, you guys. I really do. Oh my gosh, all of this stuff is like perfect. I absolutely love everything. Thank you so much. How cute are these tiny gingerbreads? Look at this. This thing is so tiny. That is so cute. Oh my goodness, this is just so cute. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness, seriously, now I feel, you know, when someone has sent you so much and you kind of feel bad for what you sent them. I still hope she likes what I sent her. All right, so Let me show you what's inside the other bags. Here's another bag, and in this one, oh my goodness, you gotta be kidding me. Look at all of these rosettes, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love rosettes, but I'm gonna be honest with you, sometimes I don't like making them. But when someone's already gifted you some, yes, thank you so much. These are so pretty. And seriously, I know I love soft colors, but when it comes to Christmas, I love traditional colors. I really do, you guys. And how adorable are all of these rosettes? They are just so cute. I love the way she's embellished them. Absolutely adorable. Okay, I'm gonna put them back because I don't want to lose any of these. Oh, she also sent me this spool of trim, really pretty. They're snowflakes. She sent me this really cute Santa. I think he's adorable. And now I need, oh, also you guys, she sent me some of my favorite chocolates, and I'll show you right now in a bit. But yeah, when I saw that, I was like, oh no, I'm eating them. So I'll show you the empty box, but yeah. Okay, so I'm going to open this up. Now, if you want to learn how to make these boxes, you guys, I actually do have a tutorial. I think it was either part of a hop or part of a, I don't know. But the thing is, I have a tutorial how to make these, but I like hers. Hers, she made them a lot bigger. It looks like a lot bigger than mine. I think mine were a lot shorter. And you know what? I actually sent her one of these. I had no idea that she was sending me 2 of these. I actually sent her one of these boxes. All right, so let me go ahead and open this up, and let's see what's inside. So let me just take everything out. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is beautiful. Wow, where is this from? Seriously, this is beautiful. I've never seen this before. And then this trim, really, really pretty. It has white snowflakes with the silver background. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm definitely saving that box and all of the crinkled paper. Oh my gosh, and the box also came with so much crinkled paper. It looks so pretty. All right, so now let's open this second box, and that's what that one looks like. Really pretty. Oh, she sent me some socks, you guys. How cute. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, adorable. Look at this box, you guys. It is filled with a bunch of yumminess, just like a bunch of filler, and then there's even glitter in there. Oh my gosh, I love it. All right, so that is it for today, you guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. And Yaleidy, I am truly, 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 truly sorry that my swap went out to you extremely late. Super, super late. But I love everything you sent me. And seriously, I really do hope we get to swap one day again. I really would enjoy that, to be honest with you. And I just love everything you sent me. I am super excited about everything. And that is it for today, you guys. Don't forget to check out her channel. I will have it in the description box. One last item I wanted to share with you was this handmade ornament, you guys. Oh my goodness. I absolutely love this. And I almost forgot to share it with you because this was one of the first things I took out, and I actually have it displayed in my room already. I love it. I love everything about it. This is brilliant. I'm just wondering how she cut this out so perfectly, because it looks like a perfect square to, I mean, perfect circle to me. And then she added all of the Christmas trees and Santa and just, you know, some berries and sprays here. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I really love this. And like you see here, Yaleidy Ramos. Oh my gosh, this is probably like one of my favorites that she sent me. Like I said, I already have it displayed in my room. So now I am done, you guys. I'm so sorry that I forgot to share this earlier, but I just saw it right now because I felt like something was missing. And it was this. And really quickly before I leave, these are the chocolates that she sent me. You guys, if you've never tried them, you have to try them. They are so good. And thank you so much for sending me one of these. I absolutely loved them. I ate them, yeah, as soon as I opened the box. Alright, you guys, so now I am done. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, everyone.